1. JBL Go2 Waterproof Ultra Portable Bluetooth Speaker, black. 2. JBL Flip 5 Waterproof Portable Bluetooth Speaker, blue. 3. JBL Go 3 Portable Speaker with Bluetooth, built-in battery, waterproof and dustproof feature, black. 4. A JBL Flip 4 Black Waterproof, Portable and Durable Bluetooth Speaker up to 12 hours of wireless streaming, includes noise-canceling speakerphone, voice assistant and JBL. 5. JBL Flip 6 Portable Bluetooth Speaker, Powerful Sound and Deep Bass, IPX7 Waterproof, 12 hours of playtime, JBL Party Boost for multiple speaker pairing, speaker for home, outdoor and travel, black. 6. JBL Clip 3 River Teal Waterproof, Durable and Portable Bluetooth Speaker up to 10 hours of play, includes noise-canceling speakerphone and wireless streaming. Visit the JBL store.